Welcome to etvFutures.com. Today is Friday, February 29th. I'm Caitlin Sisney with your Commodities Open. Crude in New York fell after surging to a record high of $103 a barrel as the dollar stabilized against the euro. Oil set successive record highs the past 4 days as a weakening dollar triggered commodity investments priced in the U.S. currency. Crude is trading at $102.12 per barrel on the NYMEX. Meanwhile, natural gas is trading at $9.39 per million British thermal units. Gold futures edged higher after having hit a record high of $978.50 an ounce overnight, continuing to draw support from weakness in the U.S. dollar and rising investment flows into commodities. Crude is now trading at $971.30 an ounce. Silver is trading at $19.69 an ounce. Today we're joined by Bobby Firestone from Alaron. Bobby will give his outlook for the commodities market as we head into the weekend.
After yesterday's extreme strength we saw really across the board in the energies, today we're seeing crude oil, natural gas, and the various parts of the crack spread all trading down on the day. Overnight we had some news coming out of South America. Petroecuador suspended operations on a pipeline, and there is an issue there. We did see crude oil spike up on the April contract to above 103 on that news, but right now we're down to about 102.5. And a couple other factors that I'm really looking at here as far as crude's ability to continue this rise. Most notably is the dollar. The dollar looks like it's stabilizing here today. It's really stopped the slide on the immediate term basis. So looking for any sort of bounce in the dollar would be adverse to crude bulls. Other than that, it really just comes down to a question of how much more upside do you think there can be here. Overall, I'm definitely have a bearish leaning. I just think above $100 a barrel, we are going to start to see more and more issues as far as just economic impact of crude oil, and so I'm looking for more downside long term, but on the upside, continued weakness in the dollar will continue to push energy prices higher.
Thanks, Bobby. That's all for your Commodities Open. I'm Caitlin Sisney. Join us again later today for the Commodities Recap right here on etvFutures.com. Have a great weekend.